Just adding short podcasts on other examples of uh, case studies of campus sustainability efforts. This one again from Brazil, talking about how a big whale skeleton was displayed on campus with public access and was combined with other art, contemporary art, to highlight plastic pollution in the oceans. We have discussed microplastics, nanoplastics, etc. We know it's in human bodies, maybe even in the brain, even though there is some controversy about detecting it, etc. But do we really want to wait till you find evidence? So all the plastic pollution ends up in the ocean because we are trashing it everywhere. There are drainage systems that are taking it out, and eventually they flow into the ocean, and there are these huge garbage patches and so on. And now we are finding that actually many of these plastic garbage patches are hosting ecosystems, because anything you put in the ocean becomes a way for biology to start using it as an anchor. So small phytoplankton and then zooplankton, small fish, big fish. So is that a good thing? We don't really know yet. But just in terms of raising awareness in the context of campus sustainability, it's a good idea for people to see actual things. Whale skeleton, does it say something about plastic pollution? Not by itself, but when you combine with other art and displays and street plays, etc., you can tell people that when they are consuming something simple, like a bag of food or a package from a food or clothing or whatever, and even if they are recycling it and putting it in the proper place, they don't always know where it ends up, because there are many examples where recycling hasn't worked, and people cheat. So you pay someone to recycle your plastic pollution, but they take it and dump somewhere because there is no subsequent enforcement or monitoring and so on. Can you control all these things? Well, at least if you're aware that many of the things end up in the ocean and harming the marine mammals and fish and so on, because even the fish you eat often has, we used to worry about mercury pollution and all, poisoning and all. Now you have to worry about little microplastic, nanoplastic particles in the fish, which are going to end up in your system and are found to cross the blood barrier into the system and then maybe end up in places you don't want.